Good morning, guys. So Michael here. I am getting ready to get back to work. I am having some type of allergic reaction, I don't know if I mentioned before, to something here on the land, and my hands get really swelled up and they itch really bad, and they hurt after you scratch. It is so painful. So I've had to take a couple of days to try to get my immune system back up and running and stuff, and I'm like pumping up with Claritin and Advil, whatever, but work has to continue. So I am going to try to clean up a little bit more of the entrance area here. There are a lot of palm trees over, I gotta remember to do the opposite direction, so go like that. So anyways, I'm gonna clean that up really good, and I want to start planting some plants where the property line pretty much begins, which is after this trunk right here. So around here is where it really begins. So I want to put some plants there that I've kind of tested out over in that direction, that roundabout that I have. I'm gonna pull the ones that have been kind of surviving. Some of them I kind of noticed that I cut the root too much, so the ones that are thriving, I'm gonna really plant them good, so that way they start building like a bush or something around the front area. Other than that, I'm just going to just work, so stay tuned for some time lapses and enjoy. Hi guys, so I'm done for today. Victor got home and he helped me clear out some of the bundles that were on the inside here. I had put a nice amount there. I still have the mounds on the edges, but I'm just gonna leave it alone until tomorrow, because it's been, the heat index today was 108, so it was hot. And as you can see, even my shirt is like disgusting. So anyways, but it has been a great day. I'm so happy that my little allergy situation did not interfere at all. Got a couple of blisters, but that's expected. Anyways, so stay tuned for more videos, and thank you again for all of you that continuously watch. I am just happy I'm making these videos in general, because it would be terrific the day where I can sit down and have everything done and look back and say, damn, I got all that done, you know? So anyways, thank you again. Have a wonderful day. Be safe, everyone, and stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. Bye.